This video will go over the steps for vacuuming.
So I have my vacuum here, and yours may look a little different than mine. Mine is a cordless vacuum, so if you have a cord, just remember to be careful with it. Sometimes it's helpful to hold the cord while you vacuum so that you make sure you know where it is and you don't trip over it or vacuum over it. So before I get started vacuuming, I'm going to clear my area so that I can get everything. So I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit. And I'm going to do this whole area. If you have any chairs, you might want to move chairs too so that you're not bumping into things while you're trying to clean. So I'm going to start from the very top left corner. And I'm going to move from left to the right side of the room. And I'm going from the top of this room all the way down until I get to the bottom. And when you vacuum, it can be helpful to do things in sections while you use this strategy. So I'm just going to do the living room for this one. So I'm going from the top left corner of the room. And you can just bring your vacuum back across and go to the left side again. And then we're going to go from left to right, and we're just going to keep going that way until we get to the bottom of the room. So we end in the bottom right corner. And that's how you vacuum using your left to right, top to bottom strategy.